To understand SQL injection, we should know basic terms of the database systems first. In the select sentence, we want name and surname fields of the client table records, where the value of the age field of the records is greater than 30. So the result of this select sentence will be the name and surname values of these two records. The parameter which is used to produce unexpected results is sent to the server. The parameter is not sanitized adequately on the server side. The server prepares the SQL string which will cause the unexpected result and sends it to the database management server, and the result is returned to the web server. The web server processes the query result, prepares the response, and sends it to the user. If we enter user1 as a username and 1234 as a password, the SQL string will be select star from users where username equals user1 and password equals 1234. And the method will return true if there is a record matched, which means if there is a user named user1 and if this user's password is 1234. Now, suppose that we enter 1, single quote, or 1 equals 1, double dash as the password. Now the SQL string will be select star from users where username equals user1 and password equals 1, or 1 equals 1, double dash. In SQL queries, double dash means that the rest of the line is the comment and will not be executed. Here we use the double dash to get rid of the redundant single quote. Since 1 equals 1 is always true and the logical operator is OR, where clause will match for all the records of the users table, which means the size of the result set will be the total number of records in the table, and the method will let us log in even though we don't know the password. SQL map has a lot of parameters, so you can use -h parameter to learn more. For now, let's build the SQL map command. The first parameter is the URL. It says the database management system is MySQL. We already know it, so we can skip to other database management systems. In questions, the default answer is shown in all caps. If you hit enter, the default answer is selected. It says the ID parameter is vulnerable, so we can skip other parameters at this point. It found hash values inside the table and asks if we want to save it for further use. Moreover, it offers to crack the hash values. So let's use SQL Maps default dictionary in this example. And finally, we have the dump of the users table and hash values are cracked. Good job.